Figma How to Write Text Behind Object. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Next, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. Once the browser is running, enter Figma in the search bar and press enter. From the results page, click Figma to access the platform. After the website loads, the Figma main page will appear on your screen. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Figma account so that all editing features are available. To write text behind an object, start a new design by clicking the plus design file button. A blank editing canvas will open, allowing you to begin creating your design. The next step is to add an object to the canvas. For this example, we will use a photo stored on your computer. Open the folder that contains the image you want to use, then click and hold the image file with your mouse. While continuing to hold the click, drag your cursor onto the Figma canvas and release the mouse button to drop the image into your design. Once the image is placed, select the text tool by clicking Text, which is represented by the letter T icon in the top toolbar. Move your cursor to the location where you want the text to appear and left-click with your mouse. Type the text you want to use. Then complete the text entry by clicking anywhere outside the text box. After creating the text, go to the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Locate the text layer you just created, then click and hold it. Drag the text layer downward in the layer hierarchy until its position is underneath the photo layer on the canvas. By placing the text layer below the image layer, the object will appear in front of the text, creating the effect of text being behind the object. Finally, resize and adjust the dimensions as needed to improve the composition and visibility of the design. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, you have successfully completed the process to write text behind an object in Figma.